6 teenagers. Kate goes skiing. Sort of. A haunting at the Gosselins. Sweet 16. Beach time. Puppies and Poconos. Kate's advice. Blind date. Deck party. Green from Gosselins. What's old is new. Florida fun. A decade of Kate. Mother's Day surprise. The finale. RV trip. DC Cupcake Visit. New Zealand. Gosselins, Goblins, and Ghouls. Cleaning house. Kate's toughest questions. 6th birthday surprise. School prep. Arina Patel. Game night. The Big Apple.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.